Imagine waking up every morning feeling stronger, calmer, and more alive. What if I told you there's one practice that can transform your body, mind, and life in just 20 minutes a day? Spoiler alert, it's not magic. It's yoga. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be rushing to unroll your yoga mat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible changes that happen to your body when you do yoga every single day. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or a complete beginner, the benefits of this ancient practice will blow your mind. Let's get started. First, let's talk about your breath. Yoga teaches you to breathe deeply and mindfully. This isn't just relaxing, it's science. Deep breathing increases oxygen flow to your brain and muscles, reducing stress and boosting your energy levels. Within just a few days of daily practice, you'll notice you're calmer, more focused, and ready to tackle whatever life throws at you. Next up, flexibility. If you've ever felt stiff or achy, yoga is your secret weapon. By stretching and holding poses, you're lengthening your muscles and improving your range of motion. Over time, you'll be bending, twisting, and reaching like never before. Say goodbye to that "I just woke up" feeling. Now, let's talk about strength. Yoga isn't just about stretching, it's a full-body workout. Poses like plank, warrior, and downward dog engage your core, arms, legs, and back. With consistent practice, you'll build lean muscle and improve your posture. Who needs a gym when you've got a yoga mat? Here's a big one. Heart health. Studies show that yoga can lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol, and improve circulation. Combine that with the stress-reducing benefits, and you've got a recipe for a healthier heart. Your body will thank you. Struggling with sleep? Yoga might be the solution. A daily practice helps regulate your nervous system, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed and ready to conquer the day. Sounds amazing, right? So, what happens if you do yoga every day? You'll breathe better, move better, sleep better, and feel better. It's not just a workout, it's a lifestyle. And the best part? Anyone can do it, anywhere, anytime. All you need is a mat and a little dedication. Ready to start your yoga journey? Drop a comment below with your favorite yoga pose or what you're most excited to try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching. And remember, your body is your temple. Treat it with love and care. See you on the mat.